G'day guys, Matt from vapefuse.com here, back again helping to keep you up to date with the latest and greatest in herb vaping news and technology. Now we recently unveiled the Boundless Tera, which is the ultra premium offering from US based Boundless Technology. And now I've got another one of their portable devices to break down for you guys, the Boundless CFV. Now the Boundless CFV is pretty reminiscent of another portable vape that we've got, the Flowermate Swift Pro. CFV is not as ultra premium as the Swift Pro. It doesn't offer those interchangeable chamber rings or the full convection vapor production, but what it does offer is vapor of immaculate quality, huge density, and fantastic flavor. Now I fell in love with this device. It's simple, it's super easy to operate, and it's relatively cheap compared to a bunch of other devices on the market that don't perform anywhere near as well. Now it's got that traditional sidewinder style of mouthpiece on top that the Stores and Bickle Crafty came out with a couple of years back, which makes it super easy to clean. You sort of just need to take this top cap to the side. You can pull out the individual mouthpieces and give them a scrub, give the screen a little bit of a clean, pop the cooling unit open like this. So all in all, it's a relatively simple device to operate, making it ideal for both novices and vaping veterans. So this one has a pretty simple interface as well. It's just got full spectrum digital temperature control, which you turn on just with 5 clicks of the power button, just to turn on this little OLED display here. And obviously to switch it up between the temperatures from the lowest to the top, which is about 230, you just got to use this button on the side. So the left and right buttons just to go up or down, just in 1 degree increments. Obviously holding it down will speed up the heating process a little bit. And then to start the device heating up, once you've got the temperature set, you're just going to want to hold down that little power button at the start. And after probably, I guess, 30 seconds this one takes to heat up, it'll start blowing pretty generous clouds of vapor. So in terms of some other devices, as I said, that are a lot sort of more ultra premium in the eyes of many people, this device performs very admirably. So the CFV has a pretty reasonably sized herb chamber. I think it can accommodate up to 0.4 grams of dried herb, which is pretty similar to the Crafty or the Mighty. So if you're looking for a portable device to take outside for a long session or a number of little continuous sessions, the Boundless CFV is going to be perfect for that. This device as well in the kit comes with a 14 and 18 universal aluminium alloy water pipe adapter. So if you're used to consuming your vapor through an aqua bubbler or through your water pipe, don't fret, the Boundless CFV is also compatible with these 14 and 18 mil tubes. So all you gotta do is just chuck this little water pipe cooling unit on top, screw it in, and once the device is heated up to the correct temperature, you just plop it into the end of your 14 or 18 downstand and just breathe through. And that will just pull through the little air hole inlet at the bottom of the device and generate big, thick clouds of vapor. Just a few closing notes for anyone looking to pick up a Boundless CFV. As I said before, this device is ideal for both the beginner and the herb connoisseur, as it's super simple to operate and learn, but it does offer premium quality vapor. Now keep an eye out for the Boundless CFV in the VapeFuse online store, and remember to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest and greatest in herb vaping news and tech.